Welcome. In this video, we will see how to create templates in WhatsApp. This is the Tally to WhatsApp add-on which we are using for one of our clients. Bengal Hosties is one of our clients, and there's an option called template here. Once we click on template, there are three options here again: template library, active, and deleted. So template library here for all the different occasions or festival season or special occasions, awareness days, we have a lot of templates given by the company, the Interact company, and we can use these and we can run the campaigns. In case we do not want to use this, then we can just go to active and we can see here all the templates that we have done before. We can click here and we can edit those templates. We can duplicate this and make some changes, or we can delete as well. Once deleted, it appears here. Now we will see how to create a new template. So you can see here WhatsApp can take up to 24 hours to review. It can approve or reject template depending on its AI screening methods. Now I'll just click on create new, and I'll give a template name here. Say for example, we're creating a template for marketing test template. Okay, and then we have to choose the category. So utility is invoices, ledgers, which is transaction based. Authentication is more of an OTP, and marketing is where you randomly want to send messages to a kitty of a pool of people. So now this is, since it's marketing, I'll click here marketing. So I would always recommend you to once go through this best practices for creating WhatsApp template. Here Interact has given all those best practices that people have been using. So you can just keep reading this and you would understand what are the best practices. But considering shortage of time, I would just run through the exact cases how we can do it. And here we have button type. In case we want limited time offer button, that appears here. In case we want copy code, URL, quick replies, we can select that. When we go forward, you'll understand what does this mean. But here language, you have to select the language that we are using. So I'll select English, and here you can see uh, this is the preview what we get. So template for English language. Then here the five options: none. So in case you just want a text to be sent, you can select on text. If you want an image, you can just choose the image here. If you want a video, you can choose the video here. You can choose an MP4 file and send. Then if you want to send a document, you can choose a PDF file and you can bulk mark it to the document. Right now, let's go one by one, and let's say we want to say image. Okay, we want to share an image. So what I'll do is I'll just click on choose JPG or PNG, and say I want to send this image, which is called Tally Prime on AWS. This is one of our new products. Here there's a screen which shows how this would look in client's WhatsApp, right? So both options are visible here, iOS and Android. You can just click them alternatively and see. And this is the name which would appear in their phone, even if they have not saved a number. So here we have given the product. Now I can write the template. I can write hello, uh, and let's say I want to greet them with their own name. So I'll just add variable. Glad to share that we have added a new product at Growth Partners, Tally Prime on AWS. This mail is sent to you as your registered email ID. I'll add the second variable is a multi-user license, and this feature can be useful to you, right? So this is how it appears. And here add a short line of text at the bottom. So here in the footer you can give your company name, or some people give it as a reply stop if you don't want to receive a message or something like that. So let's say I give our company name here, Growth Partners, and or some people give it as reply stop to unsubscribe. This also can be done. depending on your case use case you can do it. And I will give this as growth partner. So what we do is when we are sending to somebody known, like our clients, existing clients, or the clients to whom we are giving a demo, we add growth partners. Whenever we are sending it to somebody unknown, we have a data and we are running some campaign. So that time we use a footer as reply stop to unsubscribe, so that whenever somebody replies as stop, we can just remove them from the list. Even that can be automated. I'll show you how it can be. And then we have these four options where we can add the buttons. So first one is coupon code. So first one, in case you are using a D2C brand and you have a coupon code, you can use the coupon code here. For example, the coupon code would be D2C, and anybody who copy offer code, they can copy this, and whenever they're buying, they can use this code and they can uh, do it. So that only those who use this code would get 10% off or something. Whatever is written in your text would be in sync with the coupon code here. And the second option is add website URL. So here the two options are static and dynamic. So I would add dot growth partners dot in. And see, you can see here on the right hand side it's changing whatever I write here. So this can be check website. We can add more websites. Then we have add phone number. So in case we want to add any phone number, let's say call, so it'll appear here like this. And then add quick replies. So here, so you can see it says see all options. Only three buttons appear here. In case you add more than three, it all goes into the see all options, and people can click on see all option, and they can check what are the other options. So I'll write it as get a callback, and then I can write it as stop, or let's say unsubscribe, or let's keep it at the end before that, no more on, or let's say send video, right? These are the general replies what we get. And now I'll submit this. Okay, so it's telling that the website should start with HTTPS. So I'll come here HTTPS, and then I'll use this. Then now I'll submit. Then I'll click add sample. Here it's asking me what is there in the one and two. So for one is the name, second is the email, and then I'll click on done. Then I'll click on submit here, and as you can see, uh, yeah, template is created successfully. And now I'll close this. I'll say understood. Here you can see it's showing as pending, right? So up to the approval it will show as pending, and once it is approved it will show as approved. Only the templates that you're using, you have to keep it here, otherwise you can just delete them so that it's not cluttered here, and all the deleted templates are found here. In case you want to anytime retrieve it back, you can do it. And all these templates are anyways there, it's there in the screen. So here till it's, so you can see within a minute this is approved already, right? So now we can send this to any number of people that we want to. But before we send, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so now we will go to users, and say we have a Excel sheet which we want to with five contact numbers, or 50 or 500 contact numbers, and we want to send marketing campaign to them. So I'll click on add contact. Here I can add one by one, or I can select via bulk upload. Here there is an option called watch video. If I click that, a video gets open which shows how to add contacts here. Sorry. Yeah. So this is here. In case I don't want that, I know how to do it. So you can see the instructions also here. But let's go to download sample as CSV, and I'll bring it on the desktop. I'll rename it as marketing campaign test. Save it. I'll open it. So this is how it looks, and you can see here this is how it looks. So now I'll add our team members name and our office numbers here so that we can one by one upload this and see if things are actually moving. And then Jyoti, then we have Sudha, then we have Vani, Sheetal, Mahadesh, Manish. Okay, now we'll add the numbers for all of them. 4622, this is the number for Sudha. So all these are our office numbers for different states. It is 81476 53638. Then we have Vani. Here I'll take Vani's official number, which is 83101 65665. Then we have Sheetal. I'll take Sheetal's official number. So all of them in our team have their own official numbers. 384681. And then let's say we will upload this 4 itself, right? And then we have country code, which would be 919191 for all 4 of us. Then email ID, if you want to add jyoti at gmail.com, Sudha at, and Vani at, and Sheetal at, right? And WhatsApp opted. So only if it is true here, only then WhatsApp bulk marketing works. If it's false, it won't work. And then user ID, we have to give a unique user ID for all of them. And then city and area if you want to. Or say we don't want that. What we really want is whether they're using uh, which is the preferred language. We want that, for example, we can create that as well. Preferred language. Now Jyoti is a Marathi and Sudha is a Telgite. Vani speaks Hindi. Sheetal speaks, let's say, English. Okay, this is the preferred language. Now I'll just save this and close this. I'll go back to this template and I'll just drag it here from here and I'll push it here. Sorry. I'll click to this add CSV file. I'll go to desktop and then marketing test campaign and click here. It's uploading. So here you can see this is the default CSV tag which is created. We can create new tag also. So I'll create a new tag called growth partners team, and you can see our tag is added successfully. That would appear, yeah, it's here, growth partners team, and it's add to tags and then map attributes. So here you can see all these are automatically mapped. In case there's something new, preferred language new, that is also added here. Then I'll confirm. And I want a notification. I click on finish. Bulk upload. So succeeded for 0 and failed 4 contacts. I'll click on download error report and see why it has failed. I'll open this. User, oh, so we have already used this user ID, that's why it is showing this error. So let's take different user IDs. Okay, and sorry, I'll change it in the previous sheet. This sheet here, this user ID would be 1111 2222 2323 4444, and I'll save this again. I'll come back to interact, and here I'll close this. I'll add contact via bulk upload, select CSV file, then desktop, marketing, campaign, and here I'll click on see more, then go partners team, add to tags, then I'll click on map attributes, and here you can see everything is appearing. I'll click here and then finish. So here succeeded 4 and failed 0. So now send them a campaign. I can just click here and send them a campaign. You also get an email notification once it's uploaded. So I can also click here and send them a campaign, or I can go to notifications. I'm knowingly showing it to you from beginning so that you are not confused. And here we have the campaigns which we have already run. So I'll click create a new campaign. I'll select on starts from scratch. This is marketing test choose your audience. Here I want people for whom I've given tag as growth partners team. So I can do that is growth partners team. I can add multiple tags, I can give combination of tags, and then I'll apply filters. So four are selected, we had four in our list. Then create your message. Here you cannot write a new message, you have to obviously select it from templates. This is the template what we had created. I'll choose template, I'll click on choose template, and this is done. So I'll click on done. Then in case somebody wants to opt out and we have given it in the footer, we can write it as for example, if somebody on button click, if somebody clicks on, or we reply, somebody replies at stop, then this message should be going to them and it should get unsubscribed. All this we can do. And then conversation tracking optional. So if you have any parameters, you can check that as well. Schedule your messages, you can either send it immediately or custom date, and then set up retry for failed messages. So if it's failed due to any reason, it will retry, and we can set up an end date. So after 3 days, it's an end date. Up to 20th, it should retry, and then set live. So here you can see number of users are 4, and estimated campaign cost is 3.14. So the pricing is 7.78 paisa. So that is approximately coming to 3 rupees and 14 paisa. And now I can save this in draft and send it later, or I can set live and send it now. I'll click on set live. Okay, it's okay, we missed this. So in create a template, so here we have to give the variants, what we have to variables that we have to select. So here you can see hello one, so this should be name. So here I'll come and I'll select name, and then second one is the registered email ID. So I'll come down and I'll select email. Now this is done. uh, and here fallback or constant value. So in case there is no name, what should be going? So we'll write sir or madam. Or if there is no email id, what should be going as email id? We will write not applicable only. And now we'll go to set live. So it goes live in 1 minute. Meanwhile, I'll just check if it's open. And we'll just open a WhatsApp web also, to which we have sent this message. So it goes live in 25. We can also edit campaign and cancel campaign in 1 minute. We have 1 minute time for that. After that, we cannot undo anything. So here you can see we had selected 20th March as end date. So this campaign will be retried every 24 hours till 20th March. This is live. We can copy this campaign and repeat it whenever we want to. Know your data. It's about whatever data we have, and I guess this is sent. I'll just refresh the data. Campaign stats have been updated. I'll go back. Yeah, so this is the campaign marketing test. Attempted 0, sent 0. So now slowly it will keep sending to one every number, and that will appear here. I'll go back to WhatsApp, and we will let the WhatsApp open here, and I'll show you how this message looks. So let it open here, and we'll receive a message from. So here, if I keep refreshing, then probably I can see the attempted and all of that here. I'll go back to WhatsApp for business, and I've not received the message still, but it will appear in a while. Here, if you want to choose any tag, we can filter it here however you want to. And notifications limit, account status is very important to maintain it as healthy. Your account, it depends on the spam quality of your message. If your messages have any spam words, then it will get blocked one time at a time, and eventually a number might get blocked or restricted. And show you how this message looks so that you get a complete view on the campaigns. Here in wallet we can see that the amount gets deducted. So till now the amount is not deducted. That means it's still under the process. Whenever you get sent a marketing campaign, it will not show you in the inbox here, but when somebody replies, it will show you in the inbox. The chat will be seen in the inbox. Notifications, I'll try to refresh. It might take a couple of minutes, but it's okay. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. I want to show both the views of how it appears here in the client's WhatsApp and how it appears in our inbox before replies and after client replies. So this is the inbox section, and this is made very simple so that anybody can use it. You can see here we have run so many, we've sent so many messages. Just wait for some time. There are a lot of tutorial videos which we can see from this portal, and I would recommend every user to run through the tutorial videos so that you get a complete view of how this product can be used. And this product today, like a quote goes, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. More you market yourself, more you are seen in the market, you would be your product will be sold. And click on refresh. And in the messages you can add your WhatsApp link, WhatsApp catalog link, or your YouTube link, LinkedIn link, any of the links that you want to, and you can also drive clicks on those links. Here there is notification limit. I'll click on check limit till the WhatsApp arrives. Here all the limits you don't have an access. Okay, this is since this is a different system, I'm not having the access here. I can click on learn more here on how to send bulk WhatsApp campaigns, and it's showing me what all it is used for already. Announcing a discount offer, introducing a new product, new prices, customers to webinar, and this is a video also. Step by step, you can see whatever we have explained today. Step by step, you can see here. You can add images also, and then you can shoot the campaign and it will be sent. It's taking a little longer than usual. I'll click on wait. I guess my internet is slow a little, and that's why it's not appearing, but it's okay. We'll wait for some time and see how it appears. We've sent multiple campaigns, and it generally happens within, let's say, within 2 to 3 minutes. But this time it's taking a little more time, probably because of the internet issue. Let's wait till this gets loaded. We can filter everything and see here. Now this is showing live because the old ones are also showing live because I have selected retry option. If you don't select retry option, it will directly go to completed. So here it is still uh, not received the message. Probably it might take some more time. It's loading and okay, never mind. We will create a different video on how this message looks and how can we respond. So we will end this video for now here. And this video is all about how to create a marketing campaign and share marketing messages templates to the clients what we have. Even if we have the clients in Excel, we can just move them to a new file, create a CSV, and we can send it. For any more queries, you can reach out to us in the number given in the description box, and we will be glad to help you. Thank you. Have a great day.